Yo, 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 it's your boy Chip here again with the market analysis, right? See, today's a lovely day, right? It's 10/27, 2019. Halloween's around the corner. So you already know what's going to happen in the market for a little bit. We're going to see a lot of volatility, There was a Brexit delay that was supposed to happen on October 31st, but it got delayed, right? It got delayed. So what today, we're going to look over NZD CAD, we're going to go over Euro GBP, and we're going to go over AUD CAD. All right, let's check it out. So this is NZD CAD, right? We're looking at the NCAD. Let's check it out. Go to my monthly. Oops. Okay. It's making a formation already. Awesome, awesome. Go down to my weekly. We see very bearish movement, right? Right, we got a pin bar on that support that happened a week ago. But we had a reversal when we had the pullback, right? This is a very consolidated area, correct? What I want to wait for, I want to wait for the market to hit this level, right? So we can get this formation. If this formation is not broken, we'll see it go back up to the upside, right? So what I mean by that is, let me go into my daily. What I mean by that, right? I'm waiting for this area to get hit, right? That's a strong support area, strong support. If it fails 3 times, we're going to see it go right back up, right? We're going to see in CAD go on a bullish movement. But if not, right? If not, what I'm going to look for, so we have 2 scenarios, correct? What I want to look for also, if this doesn't get broken, because look how strong that support is. Look how strong, right? We're on very strong reversal areas. So honestly, I would just want to see this go bullish after this support, right? Once that support is hit, I want to see, let's see how much pips we can get from that. Matter of fact, right back up to this neck area. Okay. From the floor to the next. Okay, that's 350 pips, which is fairly nice, right? But if we do see, a drop in NZD CAD, we'll go down to our next level, which is this level, right? So if it's from the floor to the next support, okay, that's 122 pips. So we have 2 scenarios, correct? It's very consolidated right now, and we don't know how the market will open up. It is going to be opening up today, so we shall see how that works out, right? You notice that not much trend lines have to be placed whenever there's strong consolidation, right? We see this is just a downtrend, right? We see this been going down for weeks and weeks and weeks, right? So if this is an area, very consolidated area, right, then we're going to probably see this as a stage 1 happening, right? Our stages, stage 1, it's like at a bottom. Stage 2, we see the bullish movement. The 3 we get up here, and then we get our 4 to come down and come right back, right? Look what happened. All right, so stage 1, stage 1, stage 1, stage 1, right? 1, 1, 1, right? Very familiar with that area. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. I like for this to actually go bullish. Okay, so let's go to Euro GBP. Okay, we're on our monthly. I'm going to plot this in. I already see, right, there's a huge rejection. We got a pin bar 2 months ago, 3 months ago or so, because it's almost the end of October, right? So go down to this weekly. Let's check it out. We're coming up to a strong support area, right? This is our support area. So I kind of just want to take this down to 91 pips. I want to take this down to 91 pips. Reason of is because that's our next support area, right? But let's see. We're on a huge, very impulsive downtrend right now for weeks. Not looking overall, just look what's current, right? What's happening now. And we got a pullback, right? We got the pullback, right? We got our re-entry that was here. And now we just continue to go down. All right. So I still want to see this have a support to this area, right? I will say though, that the Brexit, being delayed and such, I believe that it will help the GBP, right? It's going to help the GBP in the long run, right? So as you can also see that GBP has been overall more bullish than the euro, right? The GBP has been seeing a lot of bullish movement. So I want to see this hit our support. I want to see us hit the support. We also might even just experience this to go on an uptrend, right? Just for a short term, right? So let me do something. I'm gonna put some parameters in here and measure the area, right? Okay. We have our 161 is right down there for our next support. So if we want to wait for this support to be hit, right? That's how many pips? It's 91, I believe. Yep, it's 90. Okay. And if price breaks at this level, right, which is the 0.84850, when we see that area get broken, we'll take it down to the next area, which is 100, almost 200 pips, right? 190, right? You see how I plotted these areas, right? So also, if this area gets turned, right, at the 0.84850, then we'll see that go back up to the 61, right? We'll see that. So we have two scenarios, right? But we do want to see this hit the support, right? And we want to make sure this support is either broken or rejected before we execute to go to the up or downside. But I do see this going down to hit the support and possibly breaking all of these levels. It's not so strong. It's kind of minor. You see everything kind of sporadically going off on this level. It's minor. It's not too major. This is a major area for sure, right? We get the break, we get all that consolidation, we get reversals, we get a break, reversal. So I would want to see this area be filled, which is from the break to the 161. That's almost 300 pips. It's 286 pips. It's a nice little grain there, right? All right. So that's what I see for the Euro GBP. Now let's check out AUDCAD, right? AUDCAD is looking like it's coming to a huge consolidated area, just as off what the language is telling us, right? We're having a lot of confusion, right? So I'm going to plot this. Go down to my weekly. And the weekly is looking very consolidated also. If you know, we were just looking at NZD-CAD, correct? NZD-CAD and AUD-CAD, they move together, right? They're correlated pairs. So this looks very familiar, right? I went back to NZD-CAD. NZD-CAD, look at the formation. Now AUDCAD, look at the formation, right? So they're moving together, and what we want to see is, right, that support to be hit, right? We want that support to be hit. Once that support is hit, are we going to see a break to go down to the downside, or are we going to see one to go to the upside? So let's check out our next area, which is a strong support area at this area, right? Got it right here. Lots of consolidation, and that's just wild. That is a turnaround. So at the break, right, we can get 170 if price breaks right at the 0.88346. If price breaks, then we'll end up taking it to this downside, y'all, right? And just like NZD CAD, we're looking for it to go bullish, right? If we're looking for this to go bullish and this does not break this support, then we want to take it up, right? So what I'm gonna do, go to my monthly, gonna measure this. Perfect. Got our 161. I plot that all the time. I just look at it, make sure I put my horizontal line on the 161. Okay. Alrighty. So AUDCAD, I do see it going bullish for the long run, for the long term, but meanwhile, we are in consolidation. So this is this month, right? And we have a couple more days until the end of the month, till November comes around. So it's very consolidated, there's really no decision at all, honestly. So I want to see this go bullish once this support is hit. And we can get 320 pips out of it, which would be very nice, very, very nice, right? So just be cautious when you're in the market this week, the beginning, because fall time, a lot of politics are around the fall time. Yes, the summer is a time of politics also, but the fall is when we have a lot of decision making from what's happening from the summer, right? We're going into a new year. So quarter numbers have to be on point for these countries, for these economies, and yeah, just be very mindful, right? Also, if you could like, subscribe, share this to your friends, your family, have them subscribe and put on that notification so you'll always get the latest updates when it comes to the charts. I will be posting every Sunday before the market opens, and I just appreciate you guys for watching and for tuning in. And if you're looking to get Golden Chip will be in the description below, and you can test it out, do a demo on it. It gives you the capability of doing a demo, so why not try it, you know? And if you have any questions, just comment, right? Comment, or I have my my social medias that I'll be posting inside the comment below, inside the description. So if you could, like I said, like, subscribe, share. Yeah, share the wealth, share the health. You all know. So have a great day. This is Chip, and I'm out.